Going Arrowhead hunting, folks. Taking my dog to my mom's. We're hitting a Paleo site. Thanks for everybody that sent me stuff in the mail as well. I got 2 packages yesterday with glass items in them. I haven't really looked at all of it yet, and I got tons of envelopes and tons of donations. Everybody that sent me stuff in the mail will get stuff back. The donations, and I can't believe it. Thank you. Alright, I'm back. I'm out on the river. Thanks to a few people I would have had to work today that donated to my channel via the mail. Thank you. And also the 2 people that sent me boxes of bottles that they dug. I just got my mail yesterday, so basically it'll take me a few days to read the letters and get you a package. I'll send you back some bottles and some cool stuff, buddy. But anyway, I'm out looking. We'll look this live here. I don't find much stuff on this gravel beach here, but I have found real nice stuff here. My last hafted shaft scraper that's really nice came from right in here, a black one. It's just awesome and perfect. But we'll see if we can't see anything laying out here, and if I don't see nothing here, I'll get back on the next beach that I pull into. I'm gonna sift down further. Look here, here's a flake of flint, little flake. Didn't have no working on it. The water dropped a good bit overnight, another foot. So I'm gonna have a big stretch of stuff to look on every place I was at yesterday. And there was heavy boat traffic, so I have potential. I'm not seeing too much here. I'll get down to a better spot where I'm actually seeing a lot of flint in my screen and stuff when I start screening. I'll get back then, later. Alright folks, I'm having a hell of a day. Oh, and there's another broken piece in here. That's a broken piece out of something there. Well, I sifted for 2.5 hours non-stop on the site, the Paleo site, and I was finding flint that like a flake every 4 or 5 screens. There's just not much here, and I didn't want to wear myself out. I'm gonna just hit it every day. But I moved to where I found the last 4th ancient point, the gray one that's real nice and paper thin, and I've got another point. I've got another one. See if you can see it. It's a beautiful, perfect 4th ancient triangle, like a Madison type, but there's lots of different types of them. They're just not all Madisons. A lot of the literature is very underrepresented, and like a lot of the Ahia types, there's a lot more stuff here than is what represented with a lot of Ahia books. But see if you can see it. It's a beauty. It's right here, and it's absolutely perfect. I could tell. I saw it flash. Oh, and it's another paper thin one, folks. Oh, this isn't as nice as the last piece, and it's much newer in time. This could even come up into AD, but it's a beauty. Look at this, folks. Wow. Wow. I like it. Well, anyway folks, I'll get back if I see anything else. This is just a beautiful piece, another beauty of a 4th ancient. Man, I'm getting a lot of these. I have hundreds of them, just like this. Later. I'm pulling up onto the Paleo shores of West Virginia. This is the south end of the Paleo site I've been looking. I'm gonna get up here and start looking these gravels. You can see them here on the beach. Get up there and look these, and I'll get back if I see anything today. Take me about an hour to look all this, and then I'm gonna sift for hours later. Alright, I'm back. I had to get back to my kayak and get stuff, but I got something laying out here. It's in view now, but walking back up in here, I found this piece of real high quality flint. Found a clovis point. Let's see, would have been about right here, laying out, sticking out of the beach. Then I found yesterday, you can see where I was scraping in here, and this was right on the edge of the water. It's went down that much. Look, feet. Well, I found that base of an unfleeted clovis or some kind of Paleo lancelet right in here. It's about this big. The end scraper and the flake the Carter Key flake knife came from right over there. Now I've got this laying out right here, and there's high quality flint flakes coming out. This is like a dream site. The end of the last ice age. I don't know what this is, but everything that I've found here has been Paleo. So let's look at this. Oh, folks. Oh, folks. Oh, man. Oh, folks. I don't even know. Oh, this. Oh, it's ground. Right to about. That's ground the whole length of that. It's got a base neck, and that looks old. Yeah, it's old. But right there's a fresh ding. It's rolled around in these water. This is probably from yesterday. There was just heavy bass boat traffic, and it had just been lapping on this all day long right here. And that's probably fresh. You can see it. But boy, that's nice, and boy, that sure looks Paleo to me with these parallel sides at the base. And look, that's slightly concave, and this piece would have come up a little bit. You can see what it would have looked like. Hell, that might even be like an unfluted clovis as well, but it looks like it was hafted right to there. And you can see where they resharpened it. That might be like a big mammoth slayer or something. Oh my God, folks. Well, I'm gonna go put this in the boat, and I'm just gonna, you can see I've sifted all of this from clear up there all the way down through, and I'm working up in there. That's where I'm at, where it stopped off yesterday. I'm gonna get right up in there and just try to wipe this all out today and see what else is here. I doubt I'll be able to wipe it out, but I'm gonna do a lot of sifting and try to get more of this stuff. This is amazing, folks. And you know, it's not 100% certainty this is Paleo, but there's nothing else here. I'm not finding any other time periods. I'm finding all charts that were possibly used by Paleo, and all the stuff looks Paleo. And there's no doubt about the fluted point. And I'd say this does it. Man, look at that base. Looks like a dagger, maybe. I bet you that was hafted into a bone, and that's some kind of a Paleo dagger. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm gonna try to get something else. I'm gonna be greedy today. I'm gonna hammer this. Well, anyway, folks, later. Alright, I'm heading back to the house to get some food and stuff. It's not even noon, and I have 2 smokers already. And I'm going to go home and eat, get a little work done, and I'm going to go back out and look again. Really appreciate the people that sent me stuff in the mail. I just got my mail. It would have been yesterday for the first time in over a month. I've been looking that much. Did a lot of sifting today, but it paid off. 2 beautiful pieces. Later. Alright, here's some recent stuff from today. Here's the point from today. Here's the one from like last week. They were found feet apart. They're like Madison's. They were probably made by the same man. Look how thin they are. I would have not got these. Both of them sifted. If you're not sifting, you're not getting the little awesome points like that. You're missing lots of stuff. But the Paleo Beach, here's some of the other pieces. Just beautiful knife there, Carter Key flint, and I think I called this river pebble agate at one point, but after it dried out, you can see there's no doubt that that's Carter Key flint. It's just classic. It really changed color. It's been laying in a wet environment for thousands of years. And here's like
an unfluted clovis from yesterday. I think that's what it is. It surely looks like it. Look at that. Indian scraper. And today I got this laying out right below when the water dropped. And you can see, look at the bases of the clovis and this knife. They both have the parallel sides. I'd say the same guy made all this stuff, and this is a dagger. You can say whatever you want, but this is just an amazing piece. It's a shame that little base corner's nicked off, but it's old. It's got a fresh ding here from where it's rolled in them gravels, but other than that, that's got that little concave base. It would have flared out here like on this side, and it's polished down in here. That's could even be a clovis point that just wasn't fluted that good. This is amazing, folks. And these points are amazing, but they're nothing compared to this stuff. I'm gonna have to get a new case. I'm gonna go every day till I've sifted every gravel. Later.